Selecting income-generating agricultural products involves considering market demand, profitability, growing conditions, and resource availability. Here are some agricultural products that are generally known for their potential to generate income. High-value crops, organic produce. Description: organic fruits, vegetables, and herbs grown without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers. Market: increasing demand for organic food due to health and environmental concerns. Considerations: requires adherence to organic farming standards and certifications. Specialty crops. Description: includes crops like asparagus, artichokes, and specialty mushrooms shiitake, oyster. Market: niche markets, gourmet restaurants, and health-conscious consumers. Considerations: often require specific growing conditions and expertise. Herbs and medicinal plants. Descriptions like basil, mint, and cilantro. Medicinal plants like ginseng and echinacea arctic. Culinary use, herbal supplements, and natural remedies. Considerations: can be grown in small spaces and have multiple harvests per year. Berries and exotic fruits. Description: berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and exotic fruit, dragon fruit. Passion fruit. Market: high demand in fresh markets. Value-added product forms, uses. Considerations: perennial crops that require specific soil and climate conditions. Value-added products: honey and bee products. Description: honey, beeswax, royal jelly, and poplins. Market: health food stores, farmers markets, and specialty shops. Considerations: requires knowledge of beekeeping and initial investment in hives. Dairy products. Description: cheese, yogurt, butter, and specialty dairy items. Market: local markets, artisanal food shops, and restaurants. Considerations: requires dairy, animals, processing facilities, and adherence to health regulations. Jams, jellies, and preserves. Description: preserved fruits and vegetables turned into spreads and condiments. Market: farmers markets, local stores, online sales. Considerations: can be made from surplus produce, requires processing facilities and proper packaging.